Alright, so I've got this 13 by 9 by 6.5 screen room that I'd like to try out. I'm trying to beat the rain, and I don't really have a good spot to put this out. I was saving it. I got a barbecue contest next week, but I got to get this done today. So let's see. Steaks. Here's the tent, rain fly or whatever. Took me longer to figure out how to put it together than it actually did to put it together. And that thing is pretty big. It's pretty big, heck. You can fit a small car in there. My plan is to try to figure out how to lift it up a little bit, maybe put it on blocks so I can run the sawmill inside of it. Probably not going to happen. But that was my original plan. I thought there was going to be doors on all four sides, but there's only one front door. What took me so long to figure it out was this. So this is attached to the tent, and it's the small poles that form the top, like the dome tent style, fit in here, and then bigger poles that form the base fit in there. And then down at the bottom, there's a ring and a pin. You stick the pin in the pole. Right, so I'm 6'3". This is 6.5, so I think it's a little more than 6.5. It's got a little place here you can hang a light. Right. Oh, there are. There's another zipper on the other side. Little pocket here hanging down. So there's, on the long ends, there's two zippers. It's pretty big old tent down at the land where there's bugs and there's no shade. This is going to come in quite useful. $89 is what I think it was when I bought it, but right now they got a sale for like $24. This thing is definitely worth $24. And I'd say it's probably worth $89 too, but $24, you can't beat this. Couple minutes put up, couple minutes take down. Big, roomy. Gives you good shade, gives good mosquito protection. So I highly recommend it.